Good day, learners.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, my name is Gian Albert Martinez, but you can call me Sir Albert. Ano nga itatawag niyo sa akin?
Sir Albert.
Okay, ayan. Thank you. Pero before tayo mag-proceed sa ating discussion, familiar ba kayo sa kantang Five Little Monkey?
Yes, sir.
Okay, paano natin siya kakantahin? Ganito lang yan. 1, 2, 3, go! Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang mong tatlo, nakatagod na kayo. Kayo po nakaupo, subukan niyong tumayo. I wanna be a tutubi, a twinkle star. How about the carabao, the bat to ten? Meow. Okay, handa ka na bang kumanta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang mong tatlo, nakatagod na kayo. Kayo po nakaupo, subukan niyong tumayo. I wanna be a tutubi, a twinkle star. How about the carabao, the bat to ten? Meow. Okay, yung may teacher did. Thank you for your participation to our preliminary activity. And now let us move on to our content standard. Our content standard is the learners demonstrate of understanding corruption. Then our performance standard, the learners should be able to design an emergency and preparedness plan and kit. And for our topic for today, it's all about forces that affect changes in the earth surface, earthquake, and eruption. And for our learning outcomes, kindly read.
By the end of the lessons, you will able to describe the changes on the Earth's surface as a result of earthquakes and volcanic eruption.
Okay, thank you. Ang sabi dito, natural hazard is the process that can change the landscape in a matter of minutes. Which are the example is earthquake, volcanic eruption, and tsunami. First, let us discuss about earthquake. Okay, ang sabi dito, earthquake is an extensive shaking of Earth's surface. So mga bata, ano ba ang ginagawa ninyo kapag nagkakaroon ng lindol? Okay, Ms. Rita Jane?
Duck, cover, and hold, teacher.
Okay, very good. You are correct. Dapat lagi natin tatandaan na pag nagkaroon tayo ng earthquake, lagi natin ang isipin ang duck, cover, and hold. At the same time, huwag tayo magpapanik. Tama. Ang susunod naman tayo sa volcanic eruption. And then, Ms. Rita Jane?
Volcanic eruptions occurs when a molten materials and hot gases exist in the Earth's surface.
Okay. Ang volcanic eruption daw po is ito na yung bundok na nagbubuga ng lava at saka ng mga maitim na usok. Nakakita na ba kayo ng mga vulkan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, magbigay nga ng mga alam ninyong vulkan. Okay, tama siya. Meron tayo Bulkang Pinatubo. No. Tama ang binigay ni Ms. Rika Jane. Ang meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas ay Bulkang Taal at Bulkang Pinatubo at Bulkang Mayon. Na kung saan ngayon bali-balita ng Bulkang Mayon ay nag-aalboroto. Alam niyo ba, class, na mayroong dalawang uri ng volcanic, which is erupted and non-erupted. So, pag sinabi natin erupted, ito yung vulkan na kung saan may nagbubuka na siya, nagalikha na siya ng maitim na usok, or mas tinatawag siya ng active or inactive volcanoes. Kapag inactive volcanoes naman is wala pa siyang record ng any kinds of eruption. So, sa susunod naman is tsunami. Tsunami is a giant wave due to submarine earthquakes or volcanic eruption. So, kadalasan na klase nangyayari na nagkakaroon ng tsunami is kapag mayroong ayan nga, sinasabi niya, earthquake or volcanic eruptions. Kung natatandaan ninyo, mayroong tsunami na ganap sa China kung saan na nakakalungkot maraming pang sinirang infrastruktura maging ng mga kilitil na buhay. Naunawaan niyo ba ang ating tinalakay sa araw na ito?
Opo, sir.
Okay, magaling. Kung gayon, dadako naman tayo sa ating activity time. Okay, simple lang naman ang ating gagawin. Ang sabi yan, identify a picture if it is process of earthquake or an eruption. Okay, I give you 5 minutes for that answer. Ayun nga, tapos na tayo sa ating activity. Hayaan mo na natin tama natin ang inyong mga sagot. Number 1, earthquake. Number 2, eruption. Number 3, earthquake. Number 5, eruption. 6, eruption. Number 7 is either eruption or an earthquake. Number 8, earthquake. Number 9, eruption. Number 10, earthquake. Then, that will be the last, the number 11 is earthquake. Ilan ba na kung tamang sagot?
Perfect.
Okay, very good. Halatang nakikinig ka sa ating discussion. Okay. Dahil wala kang kasama ngayong araw na ito, dito na natin tatapusin ang ating discussion about earthquake and eruption. Sana maraming natutunan sa aking tinuro. Maraming salamat.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Miss Rika Jane.
Goodbye.